Good evening. Today, we celebrate a remarkable team that embodies the true spirit of sportsmanship, Team Wyatt. My name is Tim Wyatt, and I've had the honor of coaching this wonderful team for the past few years, and have had a front row seat to witness their unwavering commitment to fair play, respect, and camaraderie, which has set them apart this year as the Curling Alberta Youth Sportsmanship Award winner. Allow me to introduce the wonderful members of Team Wyatt. At lead, we have Cassie Walterbaugh. Cassie's kindness and empathy shine through in every interaction. Whether she's throwing, brushing, or providing strategic input, she embodies the values we hold dear. At second, Kira Buckland. Kira's grace under pressure and her ability to maintain a positive attitude, even during challenging moments, inspire everyone around her. She reminds us that sportsmanship extends far beyond the ice. At third, Sophia Basello. Sophia, with her unwavering dedication, exemplifies the very essence of sportsmanship. Her encouragement and support uplift her teammates, making her a true role model. At skip, Sierra Wyatt. Sierra's resilience and determination are unmatched. She faces adversity head-on, always striving to improve and encouraging her teammates to do the same. I'd like to share with you just one of many heartwarming moments that truly captures Team Wyatt's sportsmanship. At the U18 Provincials, when tensions were high and the stakes were even higher, Team Wyatt orchestrated a fun line dance warm-up involving all the competing teams. Picture this, athletes all decked out in their team gear, forming a line along the ice surface where they were about to go to battle. They all laughed, danced, and made memories, a beautiful display of unity and camaraderie. Tonight, as we honor Team Wyatt, let's carry their example forward. Let's be more than competitors, but also ambassadors of sportsmanship. Congratulations once again to Cassie, Kira, Sophia, and Sierra. May you inspire generations to come.